again, so the position of the polluters was, well, only to answer the second question, you only need to have a look at the obligation that states have adopted in the conventional regime. And this will be one of the major points that the court will discuss. I try to keep hope, and I believe that during the presentations last week, this week, until today, the arguments in the direction of the applicability of the law of state responsibility for wrongful acts, I believe they were very convincing. Well, I don't have to convince myself, but I believe that they were convincing.